Hello navigators, welcome back. In today's lecture, we'll discuss that how we can use Adjoint solver that is present in the OpenFOAM package to perform some of the sensitivity study, and then in the subsequent lectures, we'll talk about shape optimization and topology optimization. Out of these three studies that I just mentioned, sensitivity is the easiest one. In the sensitivity analysis, you can find the effect of the design variable on the cost function. Your cost function can be lift, drag, or the overall inflow and outflow pressure drop. The sensitivity analysis required only one loop of primal and adjoint solves. We'll take our example that we have taken for most of our tutorials of flow past a square cylinder, and we'll use one of the tutorials that are present in OpenFOAM. Let's get started. For that, we'll see that the adjoint solver will also converge. You have to make sure that your steady state solution is something which does not change the flow with time to get the adjoint solver to work properly. I'll remove everything and then run this again. So after 820 iterations, the steady state solver converged, and then it started running the adjoint solver, and it reached the maximum limit, but here you'll see that the adjoint solver converged in 1501 iterations. And now if you observe the solution, you can see here, so the velocity, you can see there will be a big region, and here you will see that it converged, and it again suggested something which is uniform along this direction, because this direction there is no flow, and it is again suggesting the same thing, that you move this surface in the positive z direction and this along the negative z direction. This is how the sensitivity works, and using this sensitivity we can change the surface as well as do various stuff depending upon how the design variable is working. Right now the design variable was just the surface points, and the cost function was the lift. With this, we'll stop here, and in the next lecture we'll talk about shape optimization. Thanks for watching, and if you like the content of our channel, then please like, comment, share and subscribe.